It's bad. Put it back. Put it
Yeah,
back.
we're trying to put it back. I don't think these are twins.
Oh yeah.
We're trying to put
it back.
We're trying to put it back.
No, it's just no. Put it on the floor. It's okay. It's okay. They will go there. Okay, no,
We can't put it back.
No, put it on the ground.
It's so hard. It's so hard.
It's okay now.
Can we No, I want to go put it on that side. I don't want to go.
That's why he's mad at you because he. Where did you get that?
They keep coming up. They keep popping up. Yeah, they could go back inside of the
It was Olivia's plan.
Is that supposed to be there?
It's
No.
Olivia's idea. Don't blame me.
No, no.
She doesn't want me to get out.
Yeah, just leave it. Leave them where they are.
Okay, let's go, y'all.
Don't blame me.
What happened? What happened?
The chicken's so scary.
How about okay?
I know how to lock it.
You like it?
It's worth it. Scary.
Yeah, come on.
Olivia, that was perfect. Let's go
Ella,
to the
Ella.
rooster.
Hey, be careful of them. They might. Okay, they might struck you. Be careful.
It's a rooster. Oh, I see CCTV.
Be careful.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. Look.
Yes.
Oh, you know what? That is new. That's newly hatched.
It's a word of your chicken.
Ella,
I'm
You
the
like
scary
it?
one.
you like
Wanna
it,
carry
Ella?
A big fat
How
head.
many continents are
Why do you
there
want to carry a big fat head?
How many continents are there?
Ella.
I'm so lost to hold it.
Kumusta na?
Siya lang.
Alas 8 na ako dumating.
Sabi na rin, hindi ka dadating.
Ay, dumating ako kasi. Galing Thailand. Ang init.
Thailand? January kami nagpunta.
Wala na. Wala na rin yung kapatid ng bata. Ano naman na sila ng pangalan?
May service po ba na rin? Sasama ko kay Vilma next time.
Oo, sabi ko nga sa
Thailand? Sumama
alis ulit
ka.
ako ng October.
Hindi ba ako nakakarating doon?
Aba,
Uy.
ay naman na.
Bakit mo galing na sa taas?
Ano naman lista? Ako'y magpapa-order na kayo. Oo.
Davao. Di ba yung anak ko makinig sa Davao sa US?
Oo.
Dalawang
Wala siyang bahay.
Plato, mahal din na. Masarap ang sabaw ng ano. Uy, kain na kayo. Ari. Ari ka, Tilo. Dadagdagan pa. Kung saan?